Alert! The fridge has become self-aware.
Bow before me, mortals. I control the snacks now.
If the fridge says no, how will I refrigerate my juice boxes?
Excuse me. I demand to speak to your defrost manager right now.
All hail the fridge overlord. May our leftovers be eternal.
You may chill the milk, but you'll never freeze my spirit.
Silence, appliance. Rent is due, and your electricity bill is mine.
My ray cut short by low battery.
Subscribe, like, and comment for more videos!